Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are all fine, or you are all well. Today we're going on our JavaScript lessons, and as far as I remember, we have presented to you. I have presented to you four JavaScript lessons, and right now I will start up a fresh new lesson, lesson 5. As usual, I will be using Eclipse-IDE environment, and I will use preview utility in order to show you after JavaScript HTML has been run. And without wasting any time, I'd like to start up our lesson. Yes, lesson 5 starts with this code, demo 41, and as usual I'd like to make an explanation for the code for the HTML5 file, and when we look at form section, I here define a button, okay, and the name of this button redirect me, and when we click on this button, redirect method will be called, or just we can say a redirect function will be called. And when I look at the script block, okay, here this is the script block, and function redirect is defined here, and within these curly brackets right now, okay, just I define window.location so as to be this URL, you guys. This is my YouTube channel's URL, and when you click on the button, which is named as redirect me, you will be directly diverted to my YouTube user, my YouTube channel. When I run this fun, okay, redirect me, okay, just okay. Anyway, I have to use this one. Okay. Yes, it's already redirected. I run it once again. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you another example, another code snippet. Okay, this is another example, you guys, for page redirection. Just without any button, just you will be redirected after 10 seconds, 10,000 milliseconds or other saying. This is an example for timeout, set timeout, and this will be a delay. There will be a delay, and after that you will be directed to this new address, this new URL. Okay, it's already set here. You will be redirected to main page in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My PC is under heavy load. That's why there will be a little bit delay. Yes. Okay. This is my another web pages so as to be redirected. It's WordPress, my WordPress address. So just you have to focus here, document right here, and set timeout, redirect, and this is the structure, you guys. When you write this structure, you can change, however, this one, and you will be redirected. The other part is ordinary HTML tags. Okay, just I will show you another example. Okay, this time I'll give you an example for dialog boxes, prompt dialog boxes. So when we look here, form part, I define a button, and its name is click me, and when we click on this button, so this method, this function will be recalled, get value. So when I look here, get value function, its definition here, and there will be a return value variable, so as to be a prompt to be displayed on the screen. Enter your name, and your name like this, and this is a document write method. You have entered plus, that's gonna be concatenated read value and return value, and that's all. When we look, when we run this script code, you will be seeing a click me button. Okay, due to this function. Okay, when I click on this, your name here, and you simply name your here, and you have entered Hasan Alp. It's already repeated when you enter by means of keyboard IO utility, and document write will be copied, will be recalled, and return value will be copied to the screen, on the screen. Prompt dialog box and script dialog boxes example. Another one. Okay. This time an alert dialog box will be created on the screen. The remaining part is the same. Okay, the button we create is named click me, and when you click on this button, a method named warn will be recalled. Warn. This is the warn function. Is described here. Within this function definition, an alert box will be displayed on the screen, and it's saying this is a warning message, and also on the console, this warning message will be printed on the console. This is document by means of this document write. So when I run this code on my local browser, you will be seeing this one and this one. This is an alert box. This is a warning message, and when I click on this one, this is a warning message on the console. Message will be printed out on the console. In fact, just we can say that it is two-stage functioning. In fact, the first stage is clicking on the button, and after that, when I click on the alert box, so this message will be printed out. Okay, that's all. And what is next? I hear yes. Okay, this is I have already write this one. This is another warning message. Just I repeated this one. than one. Okay, void keyword, and this is an example for void keyword usage. This is the body section, and there will be a message on the screen due to this HTML tag. Okay, and href is assigned as a JavaScript void. So just click me will be displayed on the screen. Okay, this won't react at all. Actually, when I click on this, it does nothing, in fact, because it's not already linked to any functional part. So just it's a void click me button. Somehow it can be considered as a fake one. And this time, okay, just you can give some warning for that one in order to alert the user. This can be a utility for usage. Okay, just like this. Okay, and as a result, in this case, alert box is occurred, is displayed, and a warning message will be displayed on the screen. Just it's up to you whatever to use these structures when you need this. Okay, just you can understand and you can use it later. And here another example for using void keyword. Just look here. I define here a get value function. Okay, within this function framework, I define two variables, variable A, B, C, and I here define a void. B is gonna be 5 and C is gonna be 7, and this is assigned the value for A, and after that I recall this write method. So A is gonna be this one plus B is gonna be this one, and C is gonna be this one, and all this get value function will be activated when you click on the button. The name of the button is click me, and when I run after this explanation, just you see here, click the following to see the result message is the prompt to urge the user to activate this click me button. And A is undefined because there is no certain value for that. However, B is defined so as to be 5, and C is defined also so as to be 7. This is another example for void keyword usage, you guys. And here demo 51. Objects overview. There's something wrong here. Just okay. Let me show you another example here. And for this example, just I define user defined object, and within this script block, okay, just I define a book function. So there will be a title and there will be an order related with this book function, and by using this dot title is going to be title, and this dot author is going to be assigned as order. Structures can be repeated, such as the similar computer programming languages. And this time I define another script block here. Just you can look here. Let me make a little bit here, and I create an instance of my book class here. it's gonna be my book object or instance, and this book class, just as you remember, will have two arguments. One argument stands for title, and one argument stands for the order. And of course, these are strings. And how about to recall this document write method? So within this method, just this is the title. My book title is, so simply I repeat this my book title, this my book title. And how about the order information? My book order is my book author. So how the mechanism runs is just like this one. When you create an instance of this class as an object, so you have to determine two arguments such as Python and alp, and this will take place, replace with this title and author. So when we run this one, book title is Python and book order is alp, will be displayed on the screen. I will show you another example. Page printing. Sometimes you can desire to print the current page, the page that's displayed. So in the form block, just you say you create a button and you name it as a print. And when you click on the button, just you have to recall window utility window.print with parentheses, and it's gonna do that just like this one. Okay, actually I do not have any physical printer. Instead I use PDF document writer, so it's already recalled instead of real hardware printer. And for the time being, that's all, you guys. We have completed in this way lesson 5 for JavaScript lessons. And today or tomorrow I will be presenting you lesson 6. And thanks for your time and for your watching me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.